Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. A timeless Italian dish where tradition meets simplicity. Freshly made tortellini pasta filled with rich mushroom flavor. Simmer gently in a fragrant leek and basil broth. Perfect for cozy evenings or an elegant first course that feels like a hug from Nonna. Like and subscribe. Instruction for tortellini dough. In a bowl, whisk egg with a pinch of salt and a drizzle of olive oil. Gradually add both flour and mix until firm dough forms. Knead until smooth, then rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Roll out the dough as thin as possible. Cut into a small square and place a small amount of mushroom tower filling into the center. Fold in a triangle, seal edges with a bit of water. Then wrap the corner around your finger to shape the tortellini. Broth instruction for the tortellini. In a large pot, heat olive oil and add leeks. Saute gently without browning. Add the water and simmer for 30 minutes. Pour in the chicken stock and continue to cook for another 30 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Add the tortellini directly into the simmer broth and cook. Cover for 10 minutes. Add the chef's basil, cover again, and let the aroma infuse. serve the tortellini. Ladle the broth into a warm bowl. Add 3 tortellini per serving, top with julienne leeks, a drizzle of olive oil, and a touch of fresh basil chefna. Serve warm and enjoy the taste of a true Italian comfort. Like and subscribe.